Ah, the snake was a surprise in the morning for Niluka. She didn't even wake me up for it. Preparing for winter. I am making the land level. I'm using a wooden pallet with some stones on it, and it seems to work quite well. It's not a very good pallet. I need a better one, I think. But I'm using my quad for it today. I pulls it off. Been over it sometimes now. It's not 100% level, but it's a lot more level. I added some weight. I'm gonna go over it a few more times. All the trees I have to do with hand, with a shovel, and just try to level it a bit. No, because this will be the last time we rotivate this part of land. We're gonna go across here. So I need a lot of seeds. I have no clue how much seeds I need for 1 hectare. Hello guys.
We want to take the time to thank you for watching our video this week.
We really appreciate your love and support you're giving us on the channel.
If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe and like button.
And click the notification bell if you want to stay up to date with our latest videos.
And for exclusive sneak previews, join our Facebook community.
If you'd like to get in touch with us, send us an email.
And we promise we will reply.
Always.
Always.
Feel free to leave a comment guys, we really like it.
We're already looking forward to catch up with you next Saturday at 6 p.m.
It's foutje uploaded every Saturday. Bye bye, ciao ciao.